So this video is gonna be a bit different. Just to take a small break from my Beaches and Aklat series. Just in case you don't know, I'm being homeschooled by my parents. I'm now grade 8 and enrolled in CFA or Catholic Filipino Academy, a homeschool provider. When I was still in Manila, I attend to Wednesday classes, so even if I'm homeschooled, I still get to see my classmates and friends every Wednesdays. And every time there's school activities. If time and money permit, I can always go to Manila to attend any school events. For now, I keep in touch with my classmates and friends via instant messaging. So, it's another school year and my textbooks just arrived. CFA sent them all the way from Manila to here in Aklat. So, here's the box and it's incredibly heavy. So, I'll just lay it down right here while doing this unboxing video. So, I'm gonna get a knife to open this. Wait, guys, wait a minute. Okay, here it is. I found it. It was just right there. Okay, how do I open this? Do I just, oof. Hopefully I'm not slicing my books in here. Okay. And I need to cut these sides too. God, it's so hard to cut. Okay. Here it is. Whoa. Look at this. Oh. So that's why it's incredibly heavy. So, this is the first book. Kenosis, the life-giving sacrifice of Jesus. So this book looks extremely similar to my last book. It even has the same art cover. Maybe because it's made by the same people, these people right here. This is from my Christian living subject, so yeah, I guess this is the first book. So, this is the second book. It's the English book, I am guessing. It's Exploring Literature and Grammar. There are no authors at the back. They're over here at the front. This is a bit thinner than my last book, and it looks extremely different. So, yeah. This is for my English subject. Okay, off to the next book. So this is the third book, Science Links, Worktext for Scientific and Technological Literacy. So this is the front cover, this is the back cover. It has a bunch of nice icons at the front. It's pretty thick. I guess it will take me a long time to read this, but ooh, there's a lot of interesting stuff here. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna have fun reading this. But, on to the next book. So this one is Florante at Lara. I guess this is the Filipino one. I guess it's a storybook too. And, oh no, it's not like the last one. This doesn't have any English translations. Oh no, I'm doomed. Oh no, this is even longer than the last one. Well, I'm doomed. Hey, at least there's a cool line in the cover. So yeah. Oh boy. Well, time to move on to the next book. Oh boy, another Filipino book. This one is called Baybayin. This is the front cover. So yeah, it's incredibly thick, kind of like that science book before, but it's a bit shorter. It looks like there's a bunch of stories and stuff in here, so yeah. On to the next one. Oh, what's this? It's like a checklist of all the prices of the books. Well, I guess I don't need this one. Oh, what's this? Araling Panlipunan. Oh, world history. Kasaysayan ng Daigdig. It has a bunch of cool cover art over here. And lots of reading to go. There's only one author, I think. It says right here on the back. So yeah. This also looks similar to my last grade 7 book. So, yep. On to the next one again. Oh, this one is MAPEH. Over here. Let's see. Music, arts, physical education, and health. This is one of my favorites. So, yeah. Let's see the inside for a moment. Wow. Lots of interesting stuff in here. I look forward to reading this. Okay. On to the next one again. Math. My favorite one. This is a lot bigger than my last book, and by that I mean it's a lot taller, but I think it's made by the same author right here. It looks a lot harder. Well, of course, it's grade 8. The last one was grade 7. Yeah. I'm looking forward into learning this. So, yeah. Let's go to the next one. This is the last one. Technology and Livelihood Education. This, I think, has the same cover art as the last one. But the inside looks completely different, of course. So, yeah. Not much to say here. This just teaches you about basic needs, I guess. So, yeah. That's all the books. So, you guys, this box is completely empty. I just wanted to show you some of my books before my school year starts on June 17. So, yeah, guys, that's all for the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos right here. And I'll see you in my next video.